Course correction implemented. Navigating the Cygnus Nebula requires precision. All systems nominal.
Warning. Engine core stability is critical. Overheat imminent. Evacuate compartment.
Emergency alert. Core temperature critical. Engine bridge imminent.
Reroute power to the stabilizers! We're losing altitude! I can't maintain control!
Hull integrity failing. Engines non-responsive. We are going down!
Mayday. We are losing power to the stabilizers.
Warning. Impact imminent. Hull breach detected.
Warning. Critical system failure. Brace for impact.
The structural integrity of the macro blaze completely failed. The heat transfer was catastrophic.
Entry log. We've reached the coordinates. The structure is massive, unlike anything cataloged. I'm approaching now.
Are you friendly? We mean no harm.
We are observers. We come in peace.
The scanner confirms a microfracture. Preparing the stabilizer for the energy weld.
They built this ship to cross galaxies. But sometimes, all you need is a 5/16 wrench and a little elbow grease.
Phase alignment is complete. Running the Level 1 diagnostic now. Power levels are optimal.
I have surveyed countless species, yet I have never witnessed such intricate skill with raw elements.
The copper transfers the heat, and the water flashes to steam, pulling the energy away faster than their built-in system. There, temperature stabilized. All bolts secured and tightened. The propulsion system is certified flight ready.
Watch the alignment here. Use the sonic welder on the seam. Looks good. Another successful repair.
Diagnostic complete. All systems green. Engines online. All systems nominal. Interstellar drive engaged.
Thank you for showing us such kindness. May your journey home be swift.
And yours be peaceful.
Warning. Submersion protocols deactivated. All systems stabilizing. Takeoff sequence initiated.
Goodbye. Safe travels. May we meet again someday.
Thrusters complete. Return trajectory initiated.
The atmosphere thins. The engines ignite. We are entering the void in search of a new home.
To witness a civilization at the precipice.
The Council recognizes your strength. Welcome, allies. Warp drive engaged. Transition to light speed in 3, 2, 1.